In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Ringcentral from opening on startup. If Ringcentral launches every time your computer starts, it can slow you down and add clutter before you're even ready to work. The good news is you can turn that off quickly, and I'll walk you through a couple of simple ways to do it on Windows so your system starts clean and stays focused. First, let's use Task Manager, which is built into Windows and lets you control what runs at login. Right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager, or press Ctrl, Shift, and ES key on your keyboard to open it directly. Once Task Manager is open, go to the Startup tab. This tab lists every app that Windows is allowed to start automatically when you sign in. Scroll through the list and look for Ringcentral. When you find it, right-click Ringcentral and choose Disable. That's it. Disabling it here prevents Ringcentral from launching automatically the next time you log into Windows. You can still open Ringcentral manually whenever you need it. It simply won't jump in at startup. And if you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same place and choose Enable. If you don't see Ringcentral in that list, there's one more spot worth checking: the Startup folder. This is a special folder that can contain shortcuts to programs that Windows will launch at login. If a Ringcentral shortcut is present there, just delete it or disable it so it doesn't run automatically. Removing the shortcut won't uninstall the app, it only stops the auto-start behavior. There's also an optional method inside the Ringcentral desktop app itself. Open the Ringcentral app on your computer. At the top, click on File to open the menu. In those settings, look for the option labeled Launch Application on System Start and uncheck it. This tells Ringcentral not to register itself to start automatically with Windows, which is useful if you prefer to manage the behavior from within the app rather than through Task Manager. After making these changes, the effect will take place the next time you sign in to Windows. Pick whichever method you prefer. Task Manager is quick and system-wide, the Startup folder is great if a shortcut is the culprit, and the in-app toggle keeps the control within Ringcentral. With that, your PC should start faster and stay distraction-free, while keeping Ringcentral just a click away when you actually need it.